On today's episode, we are making STRUFFOLI! Merry Christmas!
Buon Natale!
Click above video link to learn how to make the dough. In a deep saucepan, add your neutral oil and place it on medium to high heat. Once you've added a test piece, wait until it rises to the surface to let you know when the oil is ready for the full batch. Continuously swirl them around so that they cook evenly and are nice and brown. Once done, remove and place on a paper towel. Place in the fridge at least minimum 1 hour prior to removing the ramekin. Stay tuned for more mother and daughter baking on Love What You Eat.